Ready to start the speaking test?
Hello, Anfisa. Yes.
Good. What is your full name, please?
My full name is Maria Gabriela Mieres Gonzalez.
Okay. What shall I call you?
You call me Gabi, please.
Okay. Can I see your ID, please?
Yes.
Thank you. That's fine. Where are you from?
I'm from Paraguay. I was born in here, Asunción, Paraguay.
Okay. Do you work or study?
Actually, I am not working because because I am taking care of my baby. I have one baby.
Okay. In part 1, I'm going to ask you some personal questions. Let's first talk about travel. Do you enjoy traveling? Why or why not?
Yes, I love travel. In fact, travel is my no. I am fan of traveling.
Okay.
I
Have you done much traveling? Why or why not?
yes, I have no hesitation to saying yes. I have traveled a lot. Um,
I see. Do you think it's better to travel alone or with other people? And why?
that is a good question. I prefer two options. If I travel alone, I feel in peace, and if I travel with other people, I travel. No, I feel fun.
Where would you like to travel in the future?
I would like to travel in the U.S. I would like to visit Miami and Orlando with my family and my friends.
I see. Okay. Now in part 2, you will have to talk about the topic for 1 to 2 minutes. You will have 1 minute to think about what you're going to say. You can make some notes if you wish. Here is your topic. I'd like you to describe a child that you know.
You can move forward because you know this part, right?
Okay.
If not, you can think. You can use your minutes. Okay. Don't worry.
O sea, pongo play. Okay.
Si quieres, lo adelantas un poco para que empieces a hablar o piensas. Okay. 3, 2. Okay. It's up to you. I'll play.
Más o menos. Okay.
Now. The time is up. Please start speaking now.
Okay. I am going to talk about my son. His name is Franco. He is my first child. He is very important to me, basically because he, no, with him, I became a mother. He is very tall and bony. He is a very kind. He's very smart, and he likes to play outside with his father and with me. And he is he is not only friendly,
I see.
but also also but also ¿cómo era? Good, nice boy. But he sometimes he's my he's a pain on my neck, because sometimes he doesn't listen to me, but I enjoy stay with him all day, and I love him.
Okay, thank you. Very good. In part 3, I will ask you about some more general topics. Let's first consider relationships between parents and children. How much time do children spend with their parents in your country? Do you think this is enough?
Well, I never thought about that before. I think it's not enough the time that the parents spend with their children, and basically because the parent actually needs to work out, and they haven't enough time for their children.
I see. Okay. How important do you think spending time together is for relationships between parents and children, and why?
Spend, I think that is really important, um, for the health of the children, and also, and for not have problems or the
All
head
right.
sick.
Have relationships between parents and children changed in the recent years? Why do you think that is?
Oh, yes, the present is not like the past, definitely. I think practical because actually the children spend more time in front of screens, and they are they are playing video games, or they are watching TV, and
I see. Thank you. Now, let's talk about children's free time activities. What are the most popular free time activities with children today?
in in my opinion, and I think the children spend more time in front in front of screens and playing video games, but they aren't they aren't play
All right,
outside.
thank you. Do you think the free time activities children do today are good for their health? Why or why not?
No, I don't think are good for the health. Basically because um, it's bad for the eyesight, I think.
Right.
and the body is staying in the same place, and the body needs to move every time. Yes, this is good for the body.
Okay, thank
hope.
you. How do you think children's activities will change in the future?
I think that the activities will change, because it depends of
Mhm.
the parents. The parents. For example, I need to care my son, and I need to say him practice an sport or go outside with.
Okay. Do you think it will be a positive change?
Yes. Ay, ¿puedo darle play? Una pregunta.
Tell me.
Ahí me dice, ¿crees que eso puede mejorar o un cambio positivo? ¿O cómo?
Change, un cambio, un change.
¿Crees que
Mira,
puede haber
repite la pregunta para formularla.
A ver.
Play it. No, más, tienes que hacerla. Falta todavía 23.
Do you think it will be a positive change?
Más.
Do you think it will be a positive change? ¿Crees que habrá un cambio positivo? Porque tú dijiste que no, que los niños se quedan en un solo lugar y el cuerpo necesita moverse. Yes. Yeah, do you think there will be a positive change?
Yes.
But tell her, because I'm writing.
Okay. Do you think it will be a positive change?
Yes. I think it will be a positive change, because the children will 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 just start no will start to move the body and go outside with his friends and with her family, and don't stay all day in front of screen.
I see. This is the end of the speaking test.
Termina.
Okay, just give me a second.
Ya cierro, ¿verdad?
Yes, sure. You puedes cerrar. Sure.
Okay.
Okay, this is your feedback. Let's begin with your feedback. Empezamos. Well, me pareció muy bien. Has aplicado muchas estructuras, ¿no? El not only but also, el have no hesitation, los flip gathers. Eso como que, that's a good question. Estuvo genial. Vamos a empezar con unas cositas. Me gustó que dije, that's a good question. Vamos a cambiar ahora. En lugar de decir good, interesting, ¿ok? Para aumentar el vocabulario.
Okay.
Luego dijiste, I prefer two options, right? Prefiero las dos opciones. ¿Se entendió? Y prefiero las dos opciones, como no hay problema. Aquí no entendí cuando dijiste, I feel fun.
Es que dije mal, seguro.
¿Qué querías decir? ¿Que
Lo
te
que tenía,
sientes feliz?
en realidad quería como que decir más, pero yo veía el tiempo y tenía que hacer.
Ajá, ya. De repente quieres decir, me siento feliz, I feel happy, Podrías haber dicho, when I travel with my family, I feel happy. Or, you can travel with your family happily. ¿Te acuerdas que vimos ayer? El tema de ayer de los adverbios, happily, when I am not with my family, I travel sadly. No es que viajas tristemente, sino viajas con algo de tristeza. I travel sadly. ¿Ah? Or, my little kid, run fast. He is intelligent. He is a quick learner. He learns quickly. Podrías haber incluido, porque los adverbios son los que te hacen ser más, o sea, no es que seas más nativo, sino que ellos usan tanto que es una característica de ellos. Así como cuando agregabas el basically, me pareció genial que agregues un basically, pero tendrías que variar un probably cuando no estabas tan segura, cuando das tu opinión, para no parecer tan